In today's video, we're diving into the incredible health benefits of kiwi fruit. Packed with essential vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber, kiwi is a powerhouse for your immune system and digestion. Join us as we explore its nutritional value and discover how incorporating this vibrant fruit into your diet can enhance your overall well-being. Rich in vitamin C, kiwi fruit is an exceptional source of vitamin C, crucial for boosting your immune system and fighting off infections. In fact, kiwi contains more vitamin C than oranges, making it a superior choice. Additionally, the antioxidant properties of vitamin C in kiwi help protect your cells from damage and promote overall health. Supports digestive health. Kiwi fruit is rich in dietary fiber, which plays a vital role in promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. This fiber content helps keep your digestive system running smoothly. Additionally, kiwi contains the enzyme actinidin, which aids in breaking down proteins, further enhancing digestion and nutrient absorption. Aids in weight management. Kiwi fruit is a low-calorie snack, making it an excellent choice for weight loss. Its high fiber content helps you feel full longer, reducing the urge to snack on unhealthy options. Plus, the natural sweetness of kiwi satisfies your cravings, providing a delicious and healthy alternative to sugary treats. Promotes heart health. Kiwi fruit offers significant benefits for cardiovascular health by helping to lower blood pressure. Its high potassium content plays a crucial role in maintaining heart function and regulating blood pressure levels. Additionally, the antioxidants found in kiwi help reduce cholesterol levels, promoting overall heart health and reducing the risk of heart disease. Enhances skin health. Kiwi fruit significantly benefits skin appearance by boosting collagen production, thanks to its high vitamin C content. The antioxidants in kiwi protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, promoting a youthful glow. Additionally, kiwi's hydrating properties help maintain skin moisture, ensuring a healthy and radiant complexion. Boosts eye health. Kiwi fruit supports vision through its rich content of lutein and zeaxanthin, two compounds that protect against age-related eye diseases. These antioxidants help filter harmful blue light and reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. Overall, the antioxidants in kiwi contribute to maintaining healthy eyes and enhancing vision. Regulates blood sugar levels. Kiwi fruit is an excellent choice for managing diabetes due to its low glycemic index, which means it has minimal impact on blood sugar levels. The high fiber content helps stabilize blood sugar by slowing digestion. Additionally, studies have linked kiwi consumption to improved insulin sensitivity, making it a beneficial addition to a diabetic diet. Strengthens bones. Kiwi fruit plays a vital role in bone health due to its rich content of vitamin K and calcium. These nutrients contribute to increased bone density, helping to strengthen bones over time. Regular consumption of kiwi can be particularly important in preventing osteoporosis, ensuring strong and healthy bones as we age. Improves sleep quality. Kiwi fruit can enhance sleep quality, with studies showing its positive effect on sleep onset. Rich in serotonin, kiwi helps regulate sleep patterns by promoting relaxation and improving mood. Incorporating kiwi into your evening routine may lead to better sleep, making it a natural solution for those struggling with insomnia. Supports immune function. Kiwi fruit is a powerhouse for boosting the immune system, thanks to its high antioxidant content. These antioxidants help fight infections by neutralizing harmful free radicals. Additionally, the vitamins found in kiwi, particularly vitamin C, enhance immune response, making it an essential addition to your diet for overall health and protection. Reduces inflammation. Kiwi fruit possesses powerful anti-inflammatory properties due to its high antioxidant content, which helps reduce inflammation in the body. Studies have linked kiwi consumption to lower inflammation markers, indicating its effectiveness. Incorporating kiwi into your diet can provide significant benefits for those suffering from chronic inflammatory conditions, promoting overall health and well-being. Enhances mood and mental health. Kiwi fruit can positively affect mental well-being, primarily due to its high vitamin C content, which helps reduce stress levels. Consuming kiwi may also aid in combating anxiety and depression, promoting a more balanced mood. A healthy diet, including kiwi, plays a crucial role in supporting overall mental health. Versatile culinary uses. Kiwi fruit is incredibly versatile and can be incorporated into a variety of meals. It adds a refreshing twist to smoothies, enhances the flavor of salads, and serves as a delightful ingredient in desserts like tarts and sorbets. Additionally, kiwi makes an attractive garnish for various dishes, elevating their presentation. In summary, kiwi fruit offers numerous health benefits, including boosting immune function, enhancing digestion, and improving skin health. Its rich nutrient profile makes it an essential addition to a balanced diet. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and share for more informative content on healthy living and nutrition.